Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore how you can activate or deactivate the vibration for incoming FaceTime calls on your iPhone 15 series. First, let's navigate back to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Once on the home screen, tap on Settings. From the main settings page, scroll down and select Notifications. Next, scroll down and select FaceTime. In this menu, scroll down and select Sounds. Now, go to the top and select Haptics. To turn off vibration, scroll down to the bottom and select None. By selecting None, you will turn off vibration for incoming FaceTime calls. To turn on vibration, you can choose the default synchronized vibration pattern or one of the patterns from the standard list. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to return to settings or swipe up to return to the home screen. And that's how you can activate or deactivate FaceTime vibration on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.